Hello everybody, welcome to TopTeenFix channel. Today I got Xiaomi phone that is called 11T, Xiaomi 11T, and today I'm gonna show you how to reset on this phone. Okay, so let's get started. Alright, we need to press the volume up and the power together and hold it until the phone reboot to the menu. Reboot to the recovery. Okay, so let's go up and power, just holding it. Okay, keep holding it, and then release the power. Whenever the logo appears, you need to release the power and keep holding the volume up until you can see the recovery mode. Okay, so this is called recovery mode, and in this video we are going to format the data. We are going to hard reset. Okay, so we need to choose the option called wipe data. Okay, wipe data, and then press the power to confirm, and then after that select on the option called wipe all data. Okay, and then press the power to confirm. After that select the confirm and press the power, and the process of the formatting data is complete. And after that we need to press the power key and then reboot the system. Okay, just reboot the system by pressing the power key. And the process of rebooting to the menu, it may take about 2 or 3 minutes. Okay, so that's it, and thank you for watching for how to reset on Xiaomi 11T.